Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. You see, this is one of the reasons why I love my husband so much. He surprised me. I woke up this morning and he surprised me with my favorite roses of all, red roses. I say, man, I love him, you know. Gotta love that man. This is some of the wonderful things that my husband does to me. Wake me up in the morning with fresh roses. Love my husband. And there it is. That looks really good. I just put it in my vase and I have a long time. There's a red vase and go on and run some errands. I don't know if I'm going to take you guys out on the errands with me, but happy Friday.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him.
So you see how peaceful it is back here? Man, it is so peaceful back here. Words can't say, but maybe I'll just go ahead and clean up and yeah, give some shout outs after that, and that would be it for now. Okay, now that I got done cleaning up my deck and I was feeling so good, and it was so peaceful back there, but I just want to sure y'all, my trees, well, my husband decided to start planting. I will explain that later on, but yes, I have all kinds of vegetables and stuff that we planted, and yes, they are coming along really good. I got so much hot pepper from the tree, Scotch bonnet pepper right there. So we have a lot of Scotch bonnet pepper and different bell peppers and tomatoes and stuff. It's a blessing. I never really planted anything because I don't know nothing about planting. So I have to give my husband 100% props because we have so much different things going on in the backyard. He's the one who got me motivated to start doing this planting thing. And yeah, me just a trail behind him because I always said I'm not good with the planting and all of that stuff. But my husband did a awesome job planting the fruits and vegetables all them something there, yes. And yeah, them come out so good, trust me. That tree is a tree that I've had for a long time. My daughter gave it to me years ago and I still have it. That tomato tree was a little bitty something what my husband buy it inside a Home Depot, and the tree is so big now it's even falling on the ground, and the back it grew over the hump right there and all the way down. The thing is massive. We got so much tomatoes from that tree. It's been a super duper blessing for sure. I have some sweet pepper will come out. This one's coming out right there. This is sweet pepper. We get a lot of sweet pepper from out here already. It's like red peppers and yellow peppers, a lot. This is peppermint tree right there, so, and this is another sweet pepper tree, and then we have cilantro and stuff like that, parsley, and that's another sweet pepper right there, so my dog get it right there, so chill out. This is my tree for me for bugs. Them coming like bugs that protect me from bugs, right? And what else we got? We got some more tomatoes over here, and we already got a whole bunch of tomatoes. I have some more come up right there, so if you can see them, see some tomatoes coming up, and that is vegetables right there, more veggies. So I have parsley, cilantro, oregano, basil tree, right? And this is all tomatoes right here, and we got a lot of tomato on this tree already, and there's more coming up, right? So we got some blossoms here, some more tomato right there. So all over this tree is just tomatoes. We got a lot. This tree has been a blessing. I'm gonna move my thing in that way. This tree right there, so, has been a blessing. We already got a lot of tomatoes. See some more there, so, and more coming up. So another one right there, so got like 2 down there, so tomatoes. So this tree right now have at least 12 tomatoes on here, and more is coming up. And then come up right here, so we got some more tomatoes over here. This is tomatoes coming up right there, so we got 2 shooting up. We got 2 shooting up here. This tomato tree probably have about 12 tomatoes are shooting up on it, and more coming up. So some more right here, so those are all tomatoes. Let me get a close up so you can see it. So these are right here, so those are all tomatoes. So it's been good back here. All the tomatoes that I've been using for my dinner and all of that stuff, I got a lot of tomatoes from this garden. Remember when we first showed my backyard and there was no plants back here whatsoever, because I didn't really plant, because I always say I have a green thumb. Anything I touch like green with them always dead. I always say, my husband said don't get me no real flowers because they're always dead, right? But my husband decided that he was going to start planting, but we can't plant them in the back. Like, we can't only put them on the deck, we can't really put them on the back, because Future, what you doing? Because we got a lot of wildlife that comes through the yard, deers and squirrels and you name it, we got it. I've seen snakes here. So we have a lot of wildlife, turtle and not turtle, turkey, whatever, turtle too, because we have a lake in the back. And so we decided we wasn't going to plant anything along the yard itself. We was going to put them in pots and plant them on the deck, because we have a pretty big deck. So that's what we've been doing, and it's been going pretty well, I gotta say. And yeah, I love it.
my favorite place in my favorite place about this yard is my back deck. I just love to come back here and just chill. No one is home right now. My husband is at work and my daughter's in school, so I'm home alone and with me and my puppy. And it's peaceful, it's quiet, it's nice. It's just my little sanctuary back here and I love it. But anyway, I'm not gonna stay up on this thing long. I'm just sharing a moment in my feelings with y'all. Shout out to Cathy, because I remember you said put some plants back there. Somebody else said put some plants too. I don't remember who it was, but whoever it was, you know who you are. Thank you, thank you, thank you, because it's been a blessing. I've gotten so many veggies from back here. We have parsley, we have cilantro, we have oregano, we have peppermint, we have all kinds of hot pepper. Jamaican, we got a lot of hot pepper from back here. We have tomatoes, all the veggies, we got them back here. And every single tree has been a blessing. We have already gotten a lot of veggies from all of the trees them, and more coming as I showed you earlier. But I love you guys. Happy Friday again. I have some errands that I have to do, but I'm coming and I'm telling us I'm loving it, and I'm just sharing a moment with you guys. And as I said, so don't forget to share the recipes. Recipes are coming. I know they're coming, and they're coming slowly because the girl is trying to do all kinds of things at the same time. And I'm trying to upload to my second channel as well, Life as Juliana. I'm going to put a link below for that one. But I'm kind of thinking if I should upload this to that channel or my main channel, but I think I'm going to put it on both, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. Love you guys, and I will put some food now, breakfast. It's almost lunchtime. It's like about 10, but I'm gonna eat breakfast slash lunch. Guys, I have to tell y'all, I've been eating a lot of tofu lately. A lot of tofu lately. Not outside though. I've been cooking it. I make my own tofu, and then I make recipes with it. I made one of the most delicious sandwiches. I think it was a couple of days ago, and I'm going to share the recipe with you because I did video. I'm not sure. I did video it, so I'm going to upload it too. Since I'm not doing any more vegan recipes on my main channel, I'm putting it on my channel, Life as Juliana. So it's going to be over there. So check that out. That's coming. I'm going to do a lot of tofu recipe because a lot of people have been asking me for tofu, my tofu recipes. Oh, this thing smells so good. Oh my god. Oh, so good. Oh, it smells so good. When you have this around you guys, I swear, no bugs, no mosquito. Oh, it smells so good. Like sometimes I just pick the leaf and just rub it on my skin. Yeah, the thing smells so so good, so good, so good. I just do this all the time, and I tell you, it's an insect repellent, and it smells amazingly good on my skin. Yeah, oh my god, it smells so good. Sometimes I even do this, just put it on my neck, because once I have it on my skin, anywhere on my skin, trust me, no mosquito now come nowhere near me. But this thing smells amazingly good. Amazingly good. Yes. So good. But anyway. Oh, so good. Well. So good. Anyway. Love you guys, and the recipes are coming. Just make sure you turn on your notification settings, because I've been getting so many, like, it's ridiculous. When I used to tell you guys that you know something is going on, that you're not getting my notifications, you probably think I'm playing around. Sometimes I think I'm playing around. It's all in the head, but it's not. if I was to show you guys my Instagram messages and stuff that people send me, they haven't. People be telling me, "Oh, you're back. Finally, you're back." You know, I'm always here. I might not upload like tons of recipes in a week, but at least I upload a recipe once a week, as much as I can, right? But me never gone away. YouTube is making the thinking so me not upload anything because you're not getting your notifications at all. So the only way you see my recipes unless you come directly on my page. And yeah, it's been going like that for a couple of months. My notifications are not being sent out, and it don't make no sense me even debate with YouTube because I'm not the only one who's experiencing that. If you notice, everybody's always saying turn notification settings on in every video because everybody's having the same problem. So it is what it is. So yeah, just make sure say turn it and check it ever so often, alright? But that's about it. Me I go take a shower, eat something, take a shower, and hit the road. What else? Anything movies are suspecting of, guys, because I have snakes in the back. Yeah, snakes around here. But anyway, love you, and I will